Today on 17 Off-Road, we're going to take 7 Toyotas from Cruise Moab on the Golden Spike Trail.
Hello everyone, my name is Brian, and today I'm coming to you from my garage. Yes, I'm aware that it is not Moab, and unfortunately I just forgot to film some stuff while I was there. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to give you a little bit of narration on our really awesome trip that we had on the Golden Spike Trail. And it really is an awesome trail. I hope you guys like it. The Poison Spider Trail actually starts with several long switchbacks up the hillside. Once at the top, there's several sections with varying sized ledges that you have to climb in order to get to the top of the mesa. The Poison Spider Trail also has this optional V-notch called the Wedgie. There is a bypass to this, and most of our group took it due to the potential for passenger side body damage if your passenger tire were to slip into the V-notch. So this trip to Moab was especially special for me because not only did I once again get to bring my 11-year-old son James, but I also got to take my recently retired father-in-law Ray along with me. Now, not only has Ray never been to Moab, but he also has never ever been four-wheeling, so he really didn't know what to expect. So I thought, what better way to break him in than on the Golden Spike Trail.
All right, so right now we are about to go over high-speed Mesa on Poison Spider Mesa. We just did the first portion of Poison Spider. Ray, what'd you think about it?
It was awesome. Unbelievable.
You ever do anything like that before?
Nothing like this.
You ready to take your
Now I understand
Jeep?
why you love this.
You ready to take your Jeep?
I don't think my Jeep could do what I just saw you do.
So we should sell your Jeep and buy a Toyota then. Is that what you're saying?
No, I'll keep my Jeep.
What happened?
Nothing.
Well, nothing is obviously something. My brand new muffler fell off. Because apparently whoever installed it, namely me, didn't tighten things down tight enough.
Josh, what are you doing down there, buddy?
I'm just looking at my undercarriage,
Yeah?
checking out my pretty new exhaust.
All right, Ray, so we are going up the launch pad.
This is called the launch pad.
This is the launch pad.
I can see why it's called the
So-
launch pad.
Coming in, we'll have a couple different angles of this.
No, this is
But
awesome.
once we get down here, you're gonna go up that hill, and it's gonna look just like you're going up into space. All right, here we go, Ray. 3, 2, 1, lift off. Woohoo! All you can see is sky.
Yeah, baby. We just did the launch pad. It really feels. At one point, I thought we were going to flip over.
Or 1 second to go down.
What'd you think of that one? Top shelf.
So here's the deal. After making the turn off from Poison Spider Mesa, there is an epic place to eat lunch up on the cliffs above Moab. But that being said, this is not for the faint of heart. If you are scared of heights, I would definitely stay away because it is several 100-feet drop right off the ledge. Once you leave the lunch spot, Golden Spike actually starts increasing pretty significantly in difficulty. The first obstacle is this tricky ledge that you have to come down on an off camber on the driver's side. It doesn't seem like much in the video, but I'm telling you, the camera does not do the pucker factor any justice.
That's it, you're done. Nice work.
You want to even touch it?
Yeah.
So the Golden Crack is probably one of the most iconic obstacles in all of Moab. Everybody wants a picture of their truck going through this, not only because it'll max out your articulation, but you also get this amazing view. Everything behind the trucks right here is all Canyonlands National Park. It's a beautiful picture. It's a badass obstacle. You can't lose. So the Golden Staircase is next up. And for some trucks, it's an easy walk in the park. Yet others, the wheelbase hits all the ledges at the right time and makes it a real mess to try and get up. Literally 1 week prior to leaving for Moab, I installed a Marlin Crollo talker box, and it is amazing. I love it, and I couldn't wait to use it when I got to Moab. Double Whammy kept telling me, why are you trying to crawl things in Moab? Unfortunately, in Moab, you can't always crawl everything. Being in low is great for when you're going downhill, but when you're trying to go up these slick rock hill climbs and ledges, you actually have to give it a little momentum. And luckily I had Chris here to show me in his 80 what I should have done the first time. The last obstacle of Gold Bar Rim is known as the Waterfall. It's a very large ledge, and with daylight burning, we all hoped that we could make quick work of it so we could get back to the Cruise Moab vendor night that was going on in a few hours.
There's just too much sand there right now.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Unfortunately, Cal's 80 Series and my Tacoma were the only two that made it up without winching. We all wanted to get back into town, so one by one, we got the rest of the trucks up with a little help from the winch.
Winch isn't ready for this whale.
After the waterfall, the trail is actually relatively easy. Don't forget to stop on your way out and check out Goonie Bird Rock, or as James likes to call it, Godzilla Rock. Okay, everybody, that's it for this video on 17 Off-Road. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like it, subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you have any questions. I do have more footage coming up. I have the Cruise Moab run of the Pickle Trail. I also have the 2019 Toyota Land Cruiser Association Rubathon, the install of my Marlin Crawler taco box into my Tacoma, and the first upgrades on James's 85 Toyota pickup truck that we got him for Christmas. So stay tuned, subscribe if you want to see all those things. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.